Welcome once again. This is an update with respect to the illegalities that has been going on in our society by some persons who felt that they are above the law. In the first instance, I want to start this afternoon by commending the EFCC chairman who has done well. We continue to say that once our people in the helm of affairs of this country, if they do well, we'll commend them. But if they did not do well, we condemn them. And I want to start by commending the EFCC chairman for the bold step he took to ensure that justice is done and the rule of law is being upheld. Last time we told you about a particular woman known as Rebecca Bikisu Omokeyamu, the person who unlawfully took over a property belonging to a widow, an aged woman, a woman of over 80 years, a widow. And all efforts for this woman to move away from the property and allow this widow to take possession of her property proves abortive. Rather, he went ahead to forge the document of this property. The EFCC investigated the matter. The immediate past Inspector General of Police, Ibrahim Toko Kayode, wanted to use his office as Inspector General of Police to frustrate this matter because of his relationship with this woman. The matter was moved out of the police to EFCC, and the EFCC carried out a well-detailed investigation and preferred a charge against this woman, and this woman was arraigned before Federal High Court. There was an order, forfeiture order, asking the woman to vacate from the said premises. The woman, being an outlaw who felt that she is above the law, refused. Rather, the former Inspector General of Police used his position and deployed team of armed policemen to protect that woman who was occupying a property that belongs to another person here in this country, not in the Banana Republic, here in Nigeria, not in Bayelsa, not in Adamawa, here in Federal Capital Territory, before in the eye of the president. All efforts with in the face of a court order, the woman said, I don't believe in court order here in Nigeria. So EFCC moved in to enforce that court order yesterday. When EFCC went to that place to go and enforce the order, the police officers started attacking EFCC operatives with and tear-gassed them, and wanted even to shoot the operatives. But lucky enough, the operative of the EFCC that went for the operation overpowered them, and the two of the police officers were arrested. Other ones ran away. This afternoon, we are calling Inspector General of Police. We are following this matter up. We are not taking anything than for you to investigate those police officers who deployed them in that particular house to go and protect this Mrs. Rebecca Bikisu. Who is this woman? Where is she operating from? That there was a law, or there is an existing law anyway, valid law, that said that all police officers attached to private individuals should be withdrawn. This is an order by the president. This is not an order by a councillor. This is an order by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It's subsisting orders. We have seen senators. They withdraw all the police person attached to them. But this woman, who is neither a politically exposed person, was moving around with a team of police officers to an extent that they have audacity to tear gas the operative of EFCC. It's on the social media. We'll make it available to you. So we want to thank EFCC chairman for taking that bold step. And they alarmed that the other officers, when they discovered that they can't continue with their illegality, they ran away to tell you that they are there illegally. So, and the two of them were arrested by the operative of the EFCC. They are there. We also have it on record that there were a lot of ammunitions in that house. And we are calling on the current Inspector General of Police. If you know, if you know that you are not a party to this illegality, you should commence investigation, or you should order the police force CRO to address Nigerians on this particular issue, because this is an affront. This is an assault to Nigeria, to Nigeria as a country. I also call on EFCC chairman. You have done well, and we are here to clap for you. You have done well. This particular matter that we are also prosecuting, we are also following it up. We don't want to go by rumors from what we are hearing from the background, but you have been doing well with respect to this particular matter. This widow, this 80-year-old widow who has nobody to stand for her must get justice. So that is the essence of this press briefing. Remember what I said. Who are those police officers? Who deployed them? What are they doing there? The most embarrassing aspect of it is that they were on mufti. Some people are calling them bandits. Some say that they are terrorists. Some say that they are illegal police officers. We don't know which one that is truth. It's only investigation that will reveal all these things. We want to know them. Those of them that jumped from the fence and ran away, a police officer, they came to arrest you, jump and ran away. We want to see them, all of them. That one is on that. Also, we are calling on a Minister for Interior and the Controller of Immigration. You are not there. That particular office is not your father's inheritance. You are there as a minister to represent Nigerians. You are the Controller of Immigration. You cannot do what you like. You do what the law said that you should do. The same woman which we are talking about is facing a criminal trial before Honorable Justice Joyce Abdul Malik, Federal High Court. And she was granted bail. And one of the conditions for bail is that you deposit your international passport with the court, and you don't travel out of this country without the leave of the court. Gentlemen of the press, this woman went to go and procure another international passport and travel to United Arab Emirates out of this country. When immigration was confronted, instead of them to investigate, they came up with a very useless and cheap defense, saying that nobody informed them that the woman's passport is with court. What are you expected to do? We want to see the document the woman uploaded, because one of the documents you are expected to upload is that if your international passport is missing, you depose an affidavit that I lost my international passport and all my effort to recover it proves abortive. I hereby apply for another one. That is an affidavit. We want to see that affidavit so that the police can now prosecute the woman for forgery and perjury and lying on oath. because your international passport is with the court. And you went ahead to go and procure another one. And we also expected the Minister of Interior and the Controller of Immigration to issue a statement invalidating that particular international passport, having seen the truth, and also commence investigation in line with your act. And up to now, the Minister for Interior have not done anything with respect to that. We want to see how powerful this woman is. Who is using this woman? Who is pushing this woman? We learned that he has been doing all these things and be getting away with it. But this one is going to be the last bus stop. We, the members of Initiative Against Human Rights Abuse and Torture, and other civil society group, we are out to protect this woman. And I'm also enjoying you to go and see this woman. You go to her house and see this woman, a widow, who has nobody to speak for her. And you want to collect the property the husband left for her. Where has he done? So, press briefing. A letter has been written to Immigration, Minister for the Interior. The lawyer to the woman has written, Femi Falana has written a letter to you people. A letter has also been written to the Inspector General of Police with respect to this particular matter. So I'm on this, using this medium now to call the Minister for Police Affairs, call the Chairman of the Police Service Commission, call Inspector General of Police. All of you are on trial. We are accusing you people that you are abusing your office. For you to tell Nigerians that you are not abusing your office, you should do everything to exonerate yourself and protect the image of Nigerian police. Failure to do that, you should resign. You should resign. We have seen where Inspector General of Police that was being accused or arrested for fraud. The FCC arrested him and handcuffed him. Heaven did not fall. So not to talk about somebody who has retired as Inspector General of Police and they still have an influence in the Nigerian police, deploying officers to a building unlawfully and illegally occupied by your girlfriend. It cannot stand. And we are going to fight for it. We are going to fight for this woman. So, gentlemen of the press, that is the much we can say with respect to this. I will make the documents available to you. I will make the video, the video of the incident that happened yesterday. How a senior director of EFCC was tear-gassed by an illegal police officer or a police officer in an illegal duty. So I want to commend once again, I want to commend EFCC chairman and those operatives. You guys have done well and will continue to commend you. Please, can I have your questions?